Hey friends, welcome to my channel. This tutorial is about how to add links, videos and files to your Google Classroom. Let's begin. Into your Google Classroom, go to the classroom you want to share. This is the classroom I want to share, my files. Click on Classwork option. Into the Classwork option, to the left side, click on Create. Here options are available: assignment, quiz assignment, question, material, reuse post and topic. Click on material. Using this option, you can share different kinds of PDF file, Word file and YouTube link with your students. Type title, type description, to the left side, click on Add option. In the Add option, options are available: Google Drive, link, file and YouTube. So these are different options available through which you can share your files and link. From the first option, you can share your file from your drive. Select the file you want to share and click on Insert. Here you can see I have attached one file. Then again into the Add option, click on Link. In the Link option, you need to add link. So go to the page. So open a page. Open the page you want to copy link from. So this is the page I want to copy link. So from this page towards the left side, right click and click on Copy Link Address. Then go to your classroom, paste it. Click on Add Link. Here you can see I have added one link. Then again in the Add option, there is third option available, File. From the File option, you can insert your files. Select one of your file. Click on Insert. Then again into the Add option, click on YouTube. Into the YouTube option, there are two ways: video, search and URL. You can search your video directly from here and add it. Type your video name and search. Here I want to add one of this video. Click on the video and click on the Add button. And the other way is through URL. Go to the page you want to copy the URL from. For example, I want to copy the YouTube link. Search your video. So this is the video I want to copy the link of. Click on the video. Below, click on Share option. Your link is available. Copy this link. Close this window. Go to your classroom and paste the URL. So in the fourth option, YouTube, there are two ways you can insert your video. You can search your video directly from here, or else you can give the URL of the video from here and click on add option. So friends, these are the four ways to add link, videos and files to your classroom. Next step is to the left side, select your class, select your students, create topic, write your topic name. Into the post option, there are four options available. Discard option, using this option you can delete your post. Save draft, you can save it as a draft and post it in the future. Schedule, through this option you can schedule your material for future post, and using the post option you can post your material to all your students. So here you can see I posted my files and links to the classroom. Another way is to share your files and links is through the stream option. In the stream option, this option is available, share something with your class. Click on this option. This is same as the material option. From the four option, you can select your class, your students, you can type message for your students, and through the left side add option, you can add your files from Google Drive. You can give a link, you can add a file and you can give link of a YouTube video and click on post option. So friends, this was all about how to add videos, links and share files in your classroom. If you like this video, let me know in the comments box below. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.